Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a new video about investing in stocks for beginners 2019. So guys, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is have a budget or a plan. You guys don't want to be spending risk money. You guys want to be spending outside your budget. You don't want to be using your credit card when you're first starting to trade to fund these accounts. You guys want to play it smart. And the second thing you guys want to do is have a goal. What kind of shares, what kind of things, what aim you want to be buying in, and if you are buying, what is your risk? And watch this video to get more information about that. So what are stocks, guys? Stocks are just companies that are on the public exchanges where you're going to buy, where you actually own a piece of the company. And there's three reasons why people buy stocks. Which one are you? Or which combination? The first one is capital gains. Cap gains are real easy. You're going to buy a certain price, you're going to try to flip it, and we're going to be using Amazon example. So on Amazon's chart, we're going to be looking at their entire chart right here, but we're going to hyper zoom into a little part of the chart, and you're going to be buying right here at that arrow. So you're going to buy at this price, and then you're going to sell at this price to see how much gain you'll be making. And from there, you're going to do another buy. You're going to buy at this point, and then you're going to sell all the way at the top. So that, guys, is a capital gain. It is gaining from where you were to a more. Now our next thing is dividends. That's sweet cash flow, and this is going to be a combination of both of capital gains and also dividends. That cash flow that comes in, and also the increase. So if you're at $5 and you're getting $1 a month, now you're at $10. Now you get capital gain and get dividends. So we're going to be looking at an example of Pepsi. So Pepsi Cola, their stock also has dividends and has been going up. So you're going to have that combination. And we're going to be going over a dividend. That's what you get paid yearly. That $3 and some change is what you get paid yearly. And your dividend yield is the percentage to the stock price, which you get paid on that percentage. So we're going to be looking at their chart over a long period of time. And these Ds, all it's telling you is that they're paying dividends quarterly from all the way back here till today. So that's a really good, strong company on payments. But we're going to look into the magic of compound interest and why having dividends can compound you to increase your principal. So if you look at the 4%, 6%, 8%, 12%, whatever the interest is coming back to you, that's how much you can be saying, like how much you're making more. But let's break down it. So the rule 72 is whatever your rate of return is, divided by that is how long it takes for you to double up your money. So here's an example. You have stock ABCD at 10% dividend. So if you're getting paid 10% per year at for every 7.2 years, it'll take for your money to double. So let's check about how long it takes for your money to triple. So if you're looking at same stock ABCD at 10% dividend, you're going to take 11.5 years for your money to triple. That is insane. So let's move on to our next one. Those perks. So when you guys are buying stocks, there's perks. Now, not all of them, but some do. Some are going to give you some discounts on office equipment, and you can be able to get them all mailed to you. Some you're going to be able to get a discount on a truck. Now, for you guys who like to eat out, you might get some discounts on some food. And for you guys who love coffee, you might get some free coffee. So those are the three reasons why people buy stocks, but let's break it down more in depth and how to actually engage into those. All right, and remember, capital gains, dividends, perks, combination of both. Now, you guys got to get that Robinhood app. You got to get those zero commissions. There's a link below. Please click on that. They give out free shares. If you join from my affiliate link, please do. Helps us both win. Download Robinhood, and also you can get Acorn. So these are two easy apps to get access to stocks. But the question is, how you can find these stocks? You guys can check out investing.com, and if you want to find stocks, click that button right there, click on stocks, or if you have the tickers, put them into there and maybe it'll link you right to the stock information. But hey guys, what's a ticker, right? Real important. Now a ticker is basically like a shortened down version of the word of the company. You don't want to be typing in Apple or Microsoft. You'll be able to just type in AAPL and it'll bring up the company information. And here's a couple of ones that stand out, very big companies that you probably heard about. And if you type those in to Robinhood or Acorn, it'll bring you the detailed information. But for us, we're going to be looking at Pepsi, because Pepsi's a very famous one, very easy one to go over. Now, Pepsi's ticker is PEP. Now, for them, we're going to go over two most important things that I believe that every person should know. PE ratio, you guys can pause the video and watch that right now. Read that. And the second most important thing is earnings per share. Super important. Please understand that these two, to me, are the most important things to know for new traders. And the next thing is looking at this chart, how to read candlesticks. Now, I have made a separate video about that, and you go to my channel. I have a screenshot here. Go to my channel. The link will be below, and watch out how to read candlesticks. And also, how do you make the orders? So if you want to learn how to buy stocks, please check out what order you need. So capital gains, dividends, and perks are the 3 reasons why people jump into stocks. So guys, if you guys like this video, please drop a comment below. Let's have a conversation about stocks and money. And if you like this video, throw a thumbs up on it. Like this video, share this video, get it out there. And also, if you want to learn more about stocks, also and Forex, and some information about money, please check out my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. It's posted at the bottom of this video. So you guys can learn more, get on our live sessions that we have from Sunday to Friday, and basically increase your financial literacy and get some money in your pocket. And thank you guys for making it in the video. Have a nice day.